Good morning, everyone. We have started our seventh unit inside a number. Here are some problems to discuss. This is our question. For the school anniversary, the gateway is decorated with blinking lights. The green lights glow every 4 seconds and the blue lights glow every 6 seconds. They glow together at 8 o'clock. At what time do they glow together at next? Here we have two times are representing 6 seconds and 4 seconds. So we want to find the common multiples. So multiples of 4 and 6. First we want to find multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Continuing like this. Next we want to find multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. It is also continuing. Next we want to find out the common multiple here. Which are the common multiples in these two numbers? The first common multiple is 12. Then the next one is 24, isn't it? Then the next it is 36. That is common multiple is 12, 24, 36. From this we can find the least common multiple. That is least common multiple means LCM. LCM is 12. This is the least common multiple. That is for every 12 seconds the lights blink together. That means from first the light blink at 8 o'clock. So the next time is 8 hour 12 second. At 8 hour 12 second the lights blue and the light green glow together. Meenu and Asha are playing on a tiled floor. From one end, Meenu put a button on every second tile and Asha put a ring on every third tile. Which is the first tile with both a button and ring? What about the other tiles with both? Here, first we need to find out the multiples of second and third. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, continuing like this. Next multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, again continuing like this. From this we want to find common multiples. See, common multiples are 6, then 12, then 18. 6, 12, 18 are the common multiples. So, in this pattern, that is the 6th tile, 12th tile, 18th tile, the ring and the button came together. The next one, Anju is making two stacks. One with cubes of side 4 cm and the other with cubes of side 9 cm. To make the height of the stack equal, what should be the least possible height of each? Here it is given, it is cube. So all sides are equal. That is length, breadth and heights are equal. So we need to find the common multiples of 9 and 4. Multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36, continuing. Common multiples of 9, 18, 27, 36. So here the common multiple, first common multiple is 36. So the least possible height should be 36. Next we are discussing the section multiple of multiples. If we write all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 continuing like this. Next we are making a circle to the numbers with multiples of 2. First we write the numbers natural numbers, then circling the multiples of 2 here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Then next we are drawing squares around the multiples of 4. Next we are discussing multiples of 4. We want to make squares. The first one is 4. Next 8. Continuing like this. Here all the numbers in these squares are in circles also. That is both. For 4 circle and square is there. And then for 8 a circle and a square is there. That is, we can say that multiples of 4 are multiples of 2. That is, multiples of every multiples of 4. Every multiples of 4 is a multiple of 2. Isn't it? Look here, 4, 8. Multiples of 4. This 4 and 8 belongs to the multiple of 2. Then, in another hand, we can say that every multiple of 2 is a multiple of 4. Every multiple of 2 is a multiple of 4. Then, next we are again discussing another example. Next, we are discussing once again, we write the natural numbers. We want to check every multiples of 2 and 3. First, we mark multiples of 2 here, 10, 12. Next, we are marking the multiples of 3 as square. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. From this, we can see that not every multiple of 3 is not a multiple of 2. That is, not every multiple of 3 is a multiple of 2. Isn't it that we have get from this? Here are some problems. First one is every multiple of 3 is a multiple of 6. First, we are writing the natural numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Making the multiples of 3 as circle 3, 6, 9, 12. Then multiples of 6, 6, 12. Here we can say that every multiple of 6 is a multiple of 3. Isn't it? 6 and 12 are the multiples of 6. It is also the multiple of 3. The next one same as 1, 2, 3. Writing the natural numbers here. First we are listing the natural numbers. Next we want to find multiples of 6. First multiple is 6, then 12. And multiple of 3 as a square. 3, 6, 9, 12. Here we cannot say every multiple of 3 is a multiple of 6. It is not possible there. Then the last one is every multiple of 4 a multiple of 8. Again we are listing the natural numbers. Then we want to find out the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12. And we want to find the multiples of 8. 8. The next multiple is 16. Here 16 is also a multiple of 4. So we can say that every multiple of 4 is a multiple of 8. But in reverse we can say not every multiple of 8 is a multiple of 4. Next we are discussing the section factors. We can say 6 is a multiple of 2. A number 6 is a multiple of 2. Or in another ways we can say 2 is a factor of 6. 2 is a factor of 6. Similarly, 6 is a multiple of 3. or 3 is a factor of 6. Okay, next, that is from these two examples we get 2 and 3 are factors of 6, isn't it? Here we discuss same number. We get 2 is a factor of 6. Next we get 3 is a factor of 6. So in common we can say 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Next we want to check 45 is a factor of 3. If 45 is a factor of 3. In order to find 45 is a factor of 3, we want to divide 45 with 3. And we get the result 15. That is, therefore, 45 is a multiple of 3 or 3 is a factor of 45. That is, 45 is a multiple of 3. It is a multiple of 3 and we can reversely say that 3 is a factor of 45. Okay. By seeing this video, you can do these two homeworks and share it before our class in our subject groups.